I'ma tell her to bring more liquor. The only black person in here. Do you want this?
Good morning, friends. I think it's about 10 o'clock right now. I'm getting ready to go. I woke up a little bit later than I wanted to, which I'm a little bit disappointed in myself. Time management was a little off this morning. It's because I was so excited last night to go to what we're doing today that I couldn't sleep. I literally stayed up until 4 in the morning doing, I don't even know what I was doing. I was on YouTube watching makeup tutorials, and then the next thing I know, I was watching people cut their ingrown nails. I don't know. I just took a shower. I have my dress on. I don't have time to style my hair. And then I'm gonna try this new thing. This is the Garnier Whole Blends Gentle Detangling Milk, and it lightly conditions and softens. This thingy right here. Have you guys ever tried this? Oh, I think I'm gonna spray a lot. It smells so good. Like very vanilla-y, very vanilla-like. I'm also going to spray this. This is the It's a 10 leave-in product. This stuff was like $20. Why? I couldn't really return it because I didn't have the receipt. Till this day, I still wonder why it's $20. I don't know what makeup look we're gonna do today. All I know is that I have an hour to do it. So my skin's been feeling like drier than feet lately. So I'm gonna take this moment in time to really put about 20,000 products on my face before I go in with my foundation. I also have a little pimple that literally popped out of nowhere the other day. The best drugstore setting prep spray, whatever, in the world. This is the Milani Make It Last. I want like 5,000 bottles of these. It's so amazing and it smells so good. So today on the agenda, we are going to a place that I've been wanting to go for so long. And when I say so long, I mean so long. And I'm not gonna tell you guys where we're going, but if you follow me on Twitter, I've been tweeting nonstop about it. I'm just really, really excited. But let me just do my face before I'm late and I sit here and talk forever. Hey babe.
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm doing my makeup.
Did you already eat?
No, I just woke up and showered.
Okay, well, can you eat something?
I promise I will eat something.
Alright, baby.
Alright, toodaloo, my love. I'll see you in a little.
Okay, I'm send you another.
Okay.
Yeah, I love you.
I love you too. Bye-bye.
Alright, ready?
F my life. Okay, friends, I am finally done with my makeup. That literally took 45 minutes. Not bad. I usually take longer. So right now we're gonna situate out this hair because we still have about 35 minutes to go. So I'm gonna situate out this hair because right now it just looks like a mop. I just blow dried my hair, and that thing that I used earlier, the one by Garnier, it makes your hair so soft after you blow dry. This is my hair blow dried, you guys. Like, this is freaking pretty. It's usually well, I usually don't blow dry my hair because I feel like it makes my hair super dry. So after I wash my hair and I get out of the shower, I usually just go and let it air dry. But the reason I don't blow dry is because the ends get really dry and kind of like crispy looking. But this is really pretty. Hello. Can we say hair goals? I'm very happy right now. It's so darn pretty. Okay, I just want you guys to look at this hair, okay? Look, my hair has never been this good. So I'm gonna show you one more time what this product is because it is bomb. I also wanted to talk about another product for my hair that's really good. First, I'm gonna show you the thing up close because I know a lot of you guys are gonna ask me what this product is. So let me just show you. So if you wanna take a screenshot right now. I'll wait for you. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5. This is really good. I'm like super shook that it's really, really good. Usually I don't believe in this kind of stuff. I just feel like these kind of products are, I don't really do anything. Like this one that I used today, this bottle, I'm not even kidding, this is like $20 at Target and it doesn't do anything. Like it doesn't do anything at all for me. So, oh, hello. So when I tried this, I was kind of like, eh, but I'm in love. I really recommend this. Put this on your wet hair and then let it air dry for a little bit and then blow dry. I feel like that's what I did this morning and it just looks so voluminous and big. Like you guys, look at how big my hair is. And it's like flowy and it's soft and silky. I mean, the only things that I can kind of see are the ends are a little bit frizzy. But I'm sure if I took like a hair curler and just curl the ends, it would look freaking bomb, but I don't really have time right now. I'm gonna use this time to show you guys my new shampoo. So right here, this is the Selsun Blue medicated bottle, and this is what I've been using the last, I would say, 6 days, so almost a week, and I love this stuff. I also went and got the itchy dry scalp one, this one right here. Hello. And then they have another one for moisturizing. So I quickly just want to tell you guys a little bit about the Selsun Blue because hopefully this could help some of you. I've gotten a lot of tweets telling me that if I ever found something for my hair problem to let you guys know. So basically a little bit of a story. I don't know what happened. Literally out of nowhere, I started noticing that like if I would wash my hair today, the next day it would be super oily and dry and itchy, and it was just so gross. And that's never happened to me before. So I used to use Selsun Blue about like in high school, so like 6 years ago, and then I just stopped using it, and then I bought this about, I said a week ago, and it is so good. You're only supposed to use it, I think, 2 times a week. And what I do is I put it on and then I use my normal shampoo and conditioner, and so far my hair has been looking so clean and it lasts me for a good 2 to 3 days. So if you are experiencing the same problem as me, I definitely recommend you getting it. I found mine at Target, of course in the shampoo section. It's really good, and my mom is using it too because my mom has really bad dandruff. Shouldn't be telling you this, but it's so good. I definitely recommend it. I've never been so comfortable in my life. I love this dress. Sorry for the semi-messy room on that corner, but this is what I'm wearing. This is the dress. I love these sandals, by the way, but I honestly could have gotten away with a small. The medium is a little bit too big. I feel like you can kind of see my underwear a little bit, but it kind of looks like boy shorts. So, and then it goes with the bag. This is very different than what I usually wear, but I mean, I think it's kind of cute. It's a little bit baggy though. I kind of wish I got a small, but at least I'm comfortable because we're gonna be walking a lot and just being outside. So I love this bag. It's so cute. The best perfume in the whole entire world. It's called Flower Bomb, and you can get it at Sephora. Trust me, you're gonna get so many compliments. It is so good. We are on our way. I think motorcycle drivers, bicycle people, should have their own lane. I feel like that would be way safer because sometimes I'll be driving on the freeway and out of nowhere, they'll just like come up on the side of you. And what if you're like fidgety, and you like swerve? Danger! It's a beautiful day outside to go to, I can't tell you where we're going yet. Oh, and thank you so much to you guys. You guys are showing so much love and support on today's vlog. I uploaded a vlog today, which is Saturday. You guys are so amazing. I'm reading your comments as I was getting ready, and I didn't get to read through all of them. It's just so insane how loving you guys are. I love you so much, and I cannot express like how grateful I am. I know that I say this a lot in my videos and like on Twitter and Instagram and stuff, but I truly appreciate you guys so much. Like, you have no idea. It's just so crazy because, you know, we've never met each other, but I feel like you're a part of my life, and everything that happens in my life, like, I want to tell you guys right away. I love you guys so much, and I cannot explain how grateful I am every day to wake up and go to Twitter and see all of the comments and all of the love, and just when I'm down, you guys are there for me, and vice versa. And I just wish that I could meet every single one of my subscribers, and hopefully, you know, one day. But I just love you guys, and I want you guys to know how much I appreciate you. I feel like being on YouTube has taught me that there's a lot of negativity in the world, and I always knew that growing up, you know, being bullied and just going through really tough times throughout middle school and high school, and having, you know, self-issue problems and going through a lot of like those darker things in life. But when you have a YouTube and you put yourself out there into the world, and you're basically in the spotlight, and you let people judge you, and it's just so hard sometimes to see how mean and cruel and negative people are. But I always try my best, and sometimes it's hard. Sometimes I crumble and fall, you guys. Sometimes, you know, you see me on Twitter, and sometimes I tweet about it and I'm upset. It's hard sometimes. Like, it's hard to just delete the negativity. But I always try to remind myself that there is, for every one negative person, there's 10 more positive people. And I try my best not to focus so much on the negativity, because I'm so grateful for the positive people that, you know, are in my life, like you guys, that bring so much love and kindness into my life. So I just hope that you guys feel so much positivity and happiness and kindness, and learn a thing or two watching my videos. I ultimately just want you guys to always leave my videos feeling happy and just feeling like you have a new perspective on life. Hi friends! I feel like I'm doing a makeup tutorial. Carlos's car is a little bit different than mine, so I couldn't really put the camera back too far. Hi baby.
Hi.
We're gonna go get gas. Oh no, my bag, I didn't zip it. If you guys are wondering what lip color I'm wearing on my lips today, it is Makeup Forever, the Artist Liquid Lipsticks, the Artist Liquid Matte Lipsticks in the number 301. It's a really pretty color. You guys, we're getting gas right now, and I totally forgot I didn't do my morning dance. So much traffic. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the ocean is down there. So this drive is beautiful. You guys, we've been in the car for so long. I feel so bad for Carlos, he's getting sleepy. But usually it takes an hour, but today it's almost 2 because there's a car accident, so.
Which I still haven't seen.
Which we haven't seen yet. Well, I just woke up from a 30-minute nap. But we haven't seen it yet, so we're wondering what's with all the traffic. But we're about 15 minutes away. We're here, we made it finally. Well, I got a glimpse of it, it's right there. I cannot wait to show you guys, but I literally haven't told them in this whole video what we're doing.
Oh, really?
I've just been saying we're going.
Oh.
Really excited, oh my god. I see it from afar.
Hey. Hey.
Okay, we're here. Okay, I guess I can tell you guys now where we're going. Carlos forgot his phone, so he went to get it. But we are at the Carlsbad flower field. I'm so excited! And my camera is about to die, so if you guys see a quality change, it's because I started using my phone. But if you guys know me, you know that I love flowers, so I can't believe he took me here. I'm so excited. Okay, you guys, I'm going to show you right now how beautiful this is. This is literally all flowers. Isn't that cool? Like, look at this, you guys. It's just all flower fields. Oh my goodness.
Hey, that's a good picture spot over there.
You guys, literally, I'm in heaven right now. Oh my gosh. So I don't think we're allowed to stand in these flowers, but I see people standing over there, so I'm gonna go over there. This is so cool. It's like a dream come true. Literally, I'm dying right now. Oh my goodness, it just goes all the way down there. You guys, like, it goes further. We're gonna go over there to the yellow flowers because I love yellow. My camera officially died, but we're waiting in line right now to take pictures in the yellow flowers, and there's such a long line, but it's so pretty, I can't give it up. Oh my goodness. I'm literally in the happiest place on earth right now. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It just goes all the way around. Let us know if you've ever been to this flower field. I think we're gonna come back next year because we learned that if you go to the side of the flower field where no one is, you can kind of sneak in more photos, and like this couple just like ran through the flowers. Okay friends, I'm going to end the vlog right here so we can enjoy the rest of our weekend. I do apologize if this vlog is a little bit shorter than usual, but I'm really excited that I got to share this really exciting moment with you guys. If you're wondering about the giveaway winner from yesterday's video, I have to go through the footage and look at, or not the footage, I have to go through the comments and look at everything. There were so many amazing comments. And I wish that I can send every single one of you something, but unfortunately I can't. But I will announce the winner at the end of this video. I haven't put together the box yet because of course I'm not home, but I just remembered that Tarte sent me all of their palettes. I don't know what, the Tarlette palettes, and I literally have like 3 or 4 at home, so I'm really excited to put that in the box. So I will make sure that I put the winner's name at the end of this vlog, and if you do win, please contact me on Instagram so that I know it's actually you. I was gonna do email, but then anybody could fake an email address and email me and say they're the winner. So make sure you message me on Instagram. I look forward to talking to you on there. And Carlos, do you have anything to say other than do you want to share your favorite drink? Maybe my followers will like it.
It's strawberries and cream.
Strawberries and cream frappuccino.
That's really good.
It tastes just like that strawberry and cream candy that's like round.
I like it because it kind of tastes like strawberry and milk water. I don't know if anybody knows what strawberry and milk water is.
Yes, Food Network. Yes.
Really good.
So we're gonna get going. I hope you guys have such an amazing weekend, and I will see you back in my next video, which will be probably Tuesday of this week. I love you guys so much, and I cannot wait to be posting more vlogs and videos. So don't forget to comment down below and let me know your favorite part of this vlog. I love hearing from you, and don't forget to subscribe and like.
I like hearing from you guys too.
I'll see you guys in the next.
I like reading the comments.
I know you do. He reads all the comments, so make sure you say something really clever down there. I will see you in the next one. Bye, my loves.
Bye.